Welcome to Roots and Recipes. In the rolling hills and fertile lands of East Africa, food is more than nourishment, it's tradition, family, and celebration. Here, kitchens are alive with the smells of maize, spices, and sizzling meat, each dish telling a story of the land and its people. Our journey begins with Ugali, the heart of Kenyan and Tanzanian tables. With just maize flour, water, and a pinch of salt, Ugali transforms into a smooth, elastic dough. Families scoop it with their hands, pairing it with savory stews or fresh vegetables. Rich in carbohydrates and naturally gluten-free, it gives energy for long days and forms the foundation of every meal. On festival nights, the aroma of Nyama Choma, succulent grilled goat or beef, wafts through the air. Marinated simply with salt, pepper, and sometimes garlic or rosemary, the meat is grilled over open fire until tender and slightly charred. High in protein and iron, it fuels the body while celebrating the joy of gathering with loved ones. We move down to Ethiopia, the scent of Injera fills kitchens. This tiny flatbread, made from teff flour and fermented overnight, cradles Doro Wat, a spicy chicken stew simmered with onions, garlic, and the fiery Barbara spice blend. The combination is both comforting and invigorating, with teff providing fiber and iron, and the chicken offering lean protein for strength and vitality. In Uganda, the green hills give us Matoke, steamed plantains slowly cooked in a rich peanut sauce. Paired with onions and tomatoes, this dish is high in fiber and potassium, supporting digestion and heart health, while the peanuts add protein and healthy fats. Sweet treats also have a special place in East African hearts. Mandazi, golden fried dough lightly sweetened and sometimes enriched with coconut milk, delights both young and old. Eaten with tea or coffee, it provides quick energy and a comforting taste of home. Meanwhile, savory Sambusa pastries, filled with spiced meat or lentils, are perfect for gatherings, bringing people together over crispy, flavorful bites. Through each dish, Ugali, Nyama Choma, Injera and Doro Wat, Matoke, Mandazi, and Sambusa, we see the recipes of East African life, simple ingredients transformed into nourishing meals, every bite a story of culture, health, and heritage. Cooking here is more than a task, it's a celebration of roots and recipes, passed down through generations. Thank you for watching. I believe you learned this. Please subscribe.